August ni som ani a Mizoram MP Puke Vanlal Venan Parliament session Manipura zo na thlakte thlawang na takina hau Mizoram Sarkar thuchua tarlan ni danin Parliament session nei meka voin chanu khan Rajya Sabha MP Puke Vanlal Vena chuan Manipur boina chungchang soichuakin Manipur tribal te hi Myanmar mi ani loti aw chu puya MP Puke Vanlal Vena chuan thu asoina Union Home Ministerin Manipur tribal te chu Myanmar mi ani tia soya puin Myanmar mi ani lawa British lo lu ma in kum zani herama hian an lo om to a India independence ma in rei tak an om to a Myanmar mi emo foreigner emo ani loti aw chu puin Puke Vanlal Vena chuan biak in zathum hal hi communist rama po thleng ngai lo world record thar ani thu asoya Mizoram MP chuan tribal MP ani thu aw chu puin notice langram hi kan ta ani a hum hal turin hlau kan nei lo ati
I'm from the state of Mizoram. From the state of Mizoram. I am the tribal MP. Honorable Home Minister said that the tribal people in Manipur are Myanmaris. We are not Myanmaris. We are Indian. We have been living there before British administration.
Nothing will
we have been living 200 years.
Nothing will go on record.